Hello everyone, I'm Shakthi. Today I'm going to be talking about 3D printing on behalf of Bhavish 224. So basically 3D printer prints out three-dimensional objects, right? And today I'm going to be talking about how to do, how to use a 3D printer. So this is the websites that you can use for designing your objects for 3D printing, right? So there are two main websites that you can use. One of them is Tinkercad, which I'm on right now, right? Tinkercad, and then that's the website. You can log in or sign up. Mine's already logged in, right? So this is how your page looks like if you already have some designs going on. Tinkercad is a very user-friendly, what is it called? User-friendly designer, right? You can touch and learn. It's really easy to use and understand, and takes about 6 minutes to understand, and you can already make really cool designs. But there are some limitations with Tinkercad. That is, you can only have up to 20,000 triangles of three-dimensional, what is it called? Three-dimensional designing. But there are other sources out there like Autodesk, and then Fusion 360, and then more and more and more. Mainly Fusion 360, right? But Tinkercad is online and it's for free, and it's really easy to understand and use, right? Most schools use these if you were taking 3D designing as a elective. I learned this from middle school. I learned about Tinkercad from middle school, right? And the other website that you can use is Thingiverse, right? Go right here, Thingiverse, that's it. And then this is a website which is this is like a marketplace website, right? You can basically download other people's designs, and if you like it, you can download it, print it out on your 3D printer, right? In my opinion, this is really useful, and yeah, if you're just not creative, might as well download other people's stuff and make one for yourself, you know?